So in this video, we're going to be solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula, but now we're looking at examples where the coefficient of x squared isn't 1. So, number 1, we have a being the coefficient of x squared, which is 2, b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 4, and c is the constant term 1. So, x is equal to minus b, so minus 4, so positive 4, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so minus 4 squared, take away 4 lots of a, which is 2, times by c, which is 1, all over 2 lots of a, so 2 lots of 2. Okay, so we have 4 plus or minus the square root of, so minus 4 squared, so 16, then take away 4 times 2 times 1, so take away 8, all over 4. Now 16 take away 8 is 8, so root 8 over 4. Now square root of 8 is 2 root 2, so 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 over 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, 2 over 4 is a half, so 1 half of root 2. Or alternatively, you can write that as 1 plus or minus root 2 over 2, which some people prefer. I mean, personally, I prefer that way. But you could write it as either. Okay, number 2. We have a as the coefficient of x squared, which is 2, b is the coefficient of x, which is 2, c is the constant term, minus 1. So x is equal to minus b, so minus 2, plus or minus b squared, so 2 squared, minus 4 times a times c, square rooted, all over 2a. So we have minus 2 plus or minus, we've got 2 squared, which is 4, take away 4 times 2 times minus 1, so that'd be plus 8. All over 4. So 4 plus 8 is 12, so root 12 over 4. Now root 12 is 2 root 3. So minus 2 over 4 is minus a half, plus or minus 2 over 4 is a half, so root 3 over 2, or 1 half of root 3. Okay, so number 3, a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 8. B is the coefficient of x, which is minus 8, and c is the constant term, which is minus 1. Okay, so x is equal to minus b, so minus minus 8 is positive 8, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so minus 8 squared, take away 4 times a times c, all over 2a. So we have 8 plus or minus the square root of, minus 8 squared is 64, minus 4 times 8 times minus 1, well 4 8s are 32, so plus 32, all over 2 times 8, so 16. So x is equal to 8 plus or minus the square root of, now 64 plus 32 is 96. Over 16. Okay, now, can we simplify root 96? I believe we can. So, root 96. Now, 4 definitely goes into it. 16 goes into it as well, goes into 96. 6 times. So this is 16 times 6, so that's 4 root 6. So x is equal to 8 plus or minus 4 root 6 over 16. Don't worry if you didn't spot that, because if you spotted that 4 could go into it, you could simplify it first and say root 96 is 4 times, what would that be? 4s would go into it 24 times. And then 24 is divisible by 4 as well, 6 times. So you'd get 4 times 4 times 6. And so then you can spot that that's 4 root 6. Okay? So then here, we've got 8 over 16, which is a half, plus or minus 4 over 16, which is a quarter. So a quarter of root 6, or root 6 over 4. Okay? So that's number 3. Right, last one, number 4. A is the coefficient of x squared, which is 9. B is the coefficient of x, which is minus 6. C is the constant term, minus 4. So x is equal to minus b, so minus minus 6, so positive 6, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so minus 6 squared, take away 4 times a times c. All over 2a, so 2 lots of 9. Okay, so x is equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of 36. Now we've got 4 times 9 times 4. So 4 9s are 36. Times by 4 is 72 twice, so it's 144. So plus 144 over 18. So 36 plus 144 is 180 over 18. Now, square of 180. Well, 9 definitely goes into it 20 times. So, but 20 is divisible by 4. So 36 goes into it 5 times. So that's 6 root 5. So 6 plus or minus 6 root 5 over 18. 6 over 18 is a third. Plus or minus 6 over 18, which is a third of root 5. So root 5 over 3. And that's our answer to number 4.